Imagine walking through a forest so peaceful, so quiet, that the only sound you hear is the soft rustle of leaves in the breeze. Hi, I'm the Travel Man, and today, I'm taking you through Harfren Forest, hidden deep in the heart of Wales. Here, nature doesn't rush, it just exists. It's raw, it's untouched, it's a place where time feels like it slows down, and everything around you feels almost magical. As we step deeper into the forest together, you'll see the River Severn, just starting its journey, winding gently through the trees. The water is so clear, so fresh, you can almost feel the coolness just by looking at it. The trees here, towering pines and ancient oaks, have stood for centuries. Their branches reach high into the sky, forming a canopy that filters the light, casting soft shadows on the forest floor. The ground beneath our feet is soft, moss-covered, and lush. Every step feels like we're walking through a living, breathing thing. We can almost hear the whispers of the forest, ancient stories carried by the wind. It's easy to forget the world outside here, as if Harfren Forest exists in its own little pocket of time. There's no rush, no noise, just the quiet hum of life. It's a place to breathe, to pause, and to connect with something older than ourselves. The river, though still small here, is destined for greatness. The River Severn will grow, weaving its way through valleys and towns. But here, at the source, it's fresh, pure, and humble. As I fly the drone over the forest, we get to see its full expanse, the way the trees stretch out as far as the eye can see, how the river meanders gently through them. The forest doesn't need to shout to be noticed. It speaks in its own quiet, steady rhythm. This is Harfren Forest. It's not just a place on a map, it's a feeling, a connection to nature, to history, to something much bigger than ourselves. This is Harfren Forest, a reminder that the most beautiful places are often the ones we least expect. When you stand in the heart of this forest, it's almost as if you're standing on the edge of something timeless. The trees, the river, the land, they've been here for generations, long before any of us. And yet, there's still a sense that this forest is waiting to be discovered. It's easy to forget how much we take for granted, surrounded by the bustle of everyday life. But here, in Harfren, everything feels clearer, like we're tapping into something ancient, something that belongs to the earth itself. As we walk along the moss-covered path, you can feel the connection between the forest and you. There's a calm here, a peace that doesn't exist in the same way in the busy world outside. Look around, the sunlight filtering through the trees, the way the water reflects the sky. It's like nature's artwork, untouched, just as it was meant to be. Even though Harfren is often overlooked by visitors, it's a place that feels both familiar and new. You can't help but wonder how many other forests like this still exist, hidden, unspoiled, waiting for the right moment to be seen. As we continue to fly the drone above the forest, we get to see the full beauty of it from a new perspective, the vastness of the trees stretching out across the landscape, the way the river flows quietly through it all, weaving its path toward something much larger. And that's the magic of Harfren Forest. It's not just the trees, or the river, or even the wildlife that call it home. It's the way it makes you feel, the way it pulls you into the present moment. A feeling that's hard to explain, but easy to feel. In a world that often feels rushed and loud, Harfren gives us a place to slow down, to breathe, to reconnect. And in that quiet, in that stillness, we find something that is much bigger than ourselves.